Hey Utah, this is Ryan Johnson with Take a Break Spas and Billiards, and I'm here to announce that we are Utah's only premier source of everything saunas. We are selling both infrared and traditional saunas, pre-made kits, and fully customizable. There's no doubt that infrared saunas have become incredibly popular in these last couple of years. And here at Take a Break, we offer 4 different brands to ensure that you get the exact sauna that you want at the exact price that you want, getting them as low as $32.99. Infrared saunas come packed with amazing premium features, such as superior carbon heating elements and premium wood like mahogany and cedar, all the way down to premium accents and features like red light therapy and Bluetooth speakers. Our traditional saunas come in all kinds of shapes and sizes, from small personal saunas all the way up to huge, massive, fully customized traditional saunas that come with complete change rooms and outdoor showers. They have heaters that you can either have powered or be traditional with the rocks that heat up and you pour the water over them and steam builds. And all these saunas can even have massive amounts of seating where you can fit the whole family for a huge sauna session. We will always have several of these wonderful models for you here at Take a Break at our 3 different locations, so you can come and touch the wood, feel the heat, and look at the beautiful lights of these magnificent saunas. So come to Take a Break Spas and Billiards, where you can get the best selection and the best pricing.